Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is this evening stressing the importance of screening persons who travel into Jamaican waters, whether legally or illegally. Speaking at a function in St. James recently, he explained that there have been several reports of persons putting up a resistance when they are asked to be screened.
Oftentimes we get complaints when at the airport you see our nurses asking persons for their yellow fever card and their, depending on which country they're coming from, and sometimes people complain about the inconvenience, but the reality is that that's how diseases move from one place to the next, the communicable diseases. And vector control and management is not just about spraying mosquitoes.
Dr. Tufton was speaking against the background of the 94 crew members on a vessel flying the Nicaraguan flag that was intercepted in Jamaican waters on Tuesday. 3 of the men were confirmed to have malaria.
It's normal procedure for public health people to be a part of that system of assessment from a public health perspective, and having done that, discovered those persons who were affected in this way. If they didn't do that, the risk of a mosquito biting one of them and biting a Jamaican could lead to a malaria outbreak in Jamaica.